Get ready to witness the rarest sights the natural world offers. These are 1 in a billion moments in nature that will leave you speechless. Let's get started. Witnessing a solar halo. A bright circle forms around the sun, making the sky look magical and almost unreal. Frozen bubble forming and crystallizing. A soap bubble lands gently and begins to freeze in place, showing tiny patterns of frost forming inside it. Veiled lady mushroom. This rare mushroom blooms with a delicate, lace-like veil that makes it look more like a forest fairy than a fungus. Albino snake, gliding silently with glowing white scales. This albino snake looks like a ghost moving through the grass. Glowing ocean magic. Bioluminescent waves light up a beach at night as people walk through glowing surf. Twin arcs of wonder. A double rainbow appeared after a sudden rainstorm, with people stopping to take photos. Desert bloom. After a rare rainfall, the barren desert floor comes alive with a stunning burst of wildflowers, turning emptiness into a sea of vibrant color. Supercell thunderstorm. A huge and powerful storm cloud slowly spins above the land, as if the sky is building up something massive. Murmuration of starlings. Thousands of birds move together in the sky like a wave, creating shapes that look like they're dancing in the air. A sundog during a winter walk. While walking in the cold, you spot 2 extra bright spots beside the sun that make it look like there are 3 suns in the sky. Meteor streaking across the sky. A bright light suddenly shoots across the night sky and disappears just as quickly as it appeared. Frost flowers forming on thin ice. Delicate patterns start to appear on the frozen surface, resembling tiny icy flowers growing out of nowhere. Monarch butterfly migration. A giant group of orange butterflies fills the sky as they travel together on their long journey to warmer places. Whale breaching near a kayak. A huge whale suddenly jumps out of the water right beside a small kayak and leaves everyone in shock and awe. Snowflake landing on skin. A tiny snowflake gently lands on your skin and melts instantly before you can even look at it closely. Waterspout forming offshore. Far out at sea, a twisting column of water starts rising from the ocean to the clouds like a spinning tower. Perfectly preserved leaf skeleton. A leaf on the ground that has lost all its green but still shows every little vein like natural lace. Volcano erupting at night. In the middle of the night, The dark sky lights up red and orange as lava bursts out of the volcano. The river that vanished, a mighty river that once carved through the land, simply vanished without a trace, leaving behind dry earth and stunned witnesses. The crooked forest. In the middle of a quiet forest, trees grow with strange, perfect bends, as if something once shaped them and then disappeared. Ground-hugging clouds. These clouds dip so low they glide over the land like soft mist, blurring the line between sky and earth in a surreal, dreamlike scene. Alpine mirror. A still mountain lake reflects the snow-capped peaks above with such clarity that it feels like you're staring into another world, hidden just beneath the surface. Thunder ice. As temperatures shift, deep cracks race across frozen lakes, releasing echoes so loud they sound like distant thunder rolling through the silence. A deer crossing a foggy road. A lone deer quietly walks across a road covered in thick morning fog, and the moment feels calm and mysterious. A tree releasing pollen. The tree shakes a little and suddenly releases a cloud of yellow dust that floats into the air all around it. Dog reacting to the northern lights. A dog looks up at the sky filled with glowing lights and seems just as amazed as the people watching it. Duck parade. A mother duck carefully leads her tiny ducklings across a road while all the cars wait and watch the cute moment. Buzz invasion. A swarm of bees suddenly fills the street, buzzing loudly as people stop and try to move out of their way. Tree struck by lightning. A loud crack fills the air as lightning hits a tree and splits it in an instant with a flash of light. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome journeys around our incredible planet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.